Hello, hello. Welcome to Slavs Make Games. How to conclude a game course. We will talk about theory and practice in micro lecture tutorial. In lecture 1, we will talk about game plan. One important thing of your game making is, of course, game plan. And man, you need a plan. Any goal without a plan is just your wish. So, what is a game plan? This is plan like any other plan. But this plan definitely have some specifics related to computer games, and this plan needs to be realized in a time frame manner. To finish your goal, you need a plan towards a goal. And now let's talk about content and the time. What is game content? Game content is, of course, content of your game, but this is also content of your plan. And this plan needs to be put in a parts. These parts need to be properly set with the amount of content and the time. So, time needed. You need to know how much time you need for finishing or realizing any part of your game. And this is content time management system. For example, if your goal is to finish game in 9 months, you need parts in a time content manner to realize it. Thank you for watching this lecture. In the next, we will continue with the time content management.